Welcome to today's market report. European stock markets traded sharply lower on Friday despite positive data from the region, amid concerns that US economic recovery is stalling due to the coronavirus. The DAX this morning traded 2.2% lower, CAC 40 fell 2.1% and FTSE was down 1.8%. Economic data from Europe painted a healthy picture on Friday as UK retail sales rebounded in June, climbing 13.9% on the month, while PMI data from the region suggested the post-lockdown recovery has lifted up a gear. However, this had little impact as the investors now are questioning the strength of the economic recovery in the US, the world's largest main driver. After Thursday saw the first rise in the number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits since last week in March, worries were compounded as Senate leader Mitch McConnell warned that Republicans won't be able to present their proposals for an extended package of stimulus measures until next week. This is especially worrying as negotiations on the extension of temporarily higher unemployment benefits seem unlikely to result in a breakthrough before the program expires at the end of July, said analysts at Danske Bank. Congress enters a summer recess in August, leaving the Democratic-controlled House of Representatives and the Republican-controlled Senate little time to bridge their differences over how to proceed. Meanwhile, COVID-19 continues to gnaw away at the US economy, killing over 700 Americans on Wednesday and pushing the total US case count about 4,000. Walt Disney postponed the release of its new Mulan movie and the next movie of the Star Wars production line on Thursday, amid concerns that cinemas will struggle to attract visitors for the foreseeable future. Vodafone stock dropped 3.6% after the world's second-largest mobile operator said it would list its towers infrastructure business in Frankfurt next year. Its fiscal first quarter earnings were better than expected. Infineon and ASML Holding NV both fell nearly 5%, mirroring the underperformance by US tech stocks on Thursday after Intel's production warning prompted profit-taking. Oil prices were lower on Friday, although demand concerns stemming from rising coronavirus cases and a faltering economic recovery in the US, the biggest consumer of crude, has tempered the gains. In Norway, major Equinor posted a surprising profit for the 3 months through June. Crude futures traded 0.1% lower at $40.02 a barrel. Brent contract fell 0.1% to $43.29 a barrel. Gold futures rose 0.3% to $1,895.55 per ounce. On the FX front, GBP/USD has been benefiting from upbeat UK retail sales, but US-China spat is taking their toll. The Brexit impasse, rising US coronavirus cases, and further international tensions may bring the cable down, according to analysts. The pair is trading near daily low around 127.25. Nonetheless, Friday's 4-hour chart is painting a favorable picture for both as the cable trades above its SMA and momentum stays positive. Euro-dollar regains 116 as German preliminary manufacturing PMI betters estimates with 50.0 in July. Meanwhile, the services PMI rebounded to 56.7 in July as against previous month's reading of 47.3 and 50.5 anticipated. The index hit a 30-month high. According to the IHS market, companies across the euro area reported an encouraging start to the third quarter, with output growing at the fastest rate for just over 2 years in July as lockdowns continued to ease and economies reopened. The dollar hits 22-month low amid recovery concerns, trading at 94.627. This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.